Of the House Regularization Bill, we stand very neutral to a large extent. There are some cases who are definitely deserving of it, and then there are some cases who are not. Each case needs to be as per government law and as per our own humanity, from a human standpoint where we stand. We need to see case to case basis, and that's why the people who are built their houses on Comunidade land, if they have been misled, come to our Tuesday meetings at 11 o'clock, meet with us, put your files, put your applications, speak to the president, the attorneys, the treasurer, and our escrivant. Speak to me. I will give my time and legal advice as much as I can. And please get your lawyers as well, because I'm not a lawyer. Come and speak, see where you stand, make your application, make your pleas legally. Just don't listen to every Tom, Dick and Harry from a panchayat. Don't listen to any Tom, Dick and Harry from the street, from biodiversity. Because these biodiversity guys all have been robbing you all for too long. And you all have to wake up.
Just encroach on the land and go. There are two things, fixed asset and movable asset. Now fixed assets are land. Movable assets are cars and all those things. You can rob a car. Suppose you rob a car, the car becomes yours. How do you rob land? You just go and squat on somebody's land. And after you have squat on somebody's land, how do you become owner of that land? Can the government regularize somebody else's land? Who has given you authority? Who has given you the powers to come on our land? Somebody must give you the powers. That's why they say tutelage means, to oversee the procedures and processes of the laws laid down by the code are implemented. You cannot manipulate the code. You can ask, the owners of the Comunidade under Article 652 come together and see certain things, whether changes can be made in the Act. But government cannot sit in the assembly. They have no powers even to legislate.
The government wants to take over the Konkani. Government has no right to take over the Konkani. Konkani belongs to shareholders, what is called actionist. The second is about the government. Government has right. They don't have, because it is a private thing. First, the bill which was passed and went to the Supreme Court and is still pending. That is not finished. The thing is not, result is not given. How can government has a right to take over? We are against